Hello students, welcome to the sessions of lectures of mathematics 2. Up to last session, we have seen the non-exit differential equation. In today's session, we are starting with a linear differential equation. Okay. Now, first of all, what is a linear differential equation? There are two types of linear differential equation. First one is dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. And this has the integrating factor e raised to integration px dx. And it has a general solution y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus c. Same manner, form 2 is dx by dy plus py into x is equal to qy. Okay. See here, these are the functions of y only. In first form, these two are the functions of x only, and here you have y, and this one is dy by dx. Here, if is going to be e raised to integration p by dy, and the general solution is given by x into if is equal to integration qy into if dx, qy into if dy plus. So, first of all, you have to write down your equation in a form of standard linear. Now, solve y dash plus y sin x is equal to e raised to cos x. Now, see, this is already in a form of linear. If you are going to check out, then dy by dx plus something into y is equal to something, and both somethings are functions of x. So, this is a linear differential equation, and that's why if you are going to compare it with a standard equation, then you will have px is equal to sin x and qx is equal to e raised to cos x. So for if you need integration of px dx, that means integration of sin, that will be a minus cos. So if is nothing but e raised to integration px dx, and that is nothing but e raised to minus cos x. So the general solution is given by y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus c. That means y into e raised to minus cos x is equal to integration e raised to cos x into if is e raised to minus cos x dx. So e raised to minus cos x plus cos x cancel out, and you will have 1. So integration of 1 dx, and that will be a y e raised to minus cos x is equal to x plus c. This is the solution of your original equation. Same manner, we are going with one another example. X plus 1 dy by dx minus y is equal to x plus 1 whole square into e raised to 3. Now see, this is not directly in a form of linear. So we are going to divide it with x plus 1. So dividing it with x plus 1, so that will give you dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus 1 into y is equal to x plus 1 into e raised to 3x. So if you are going to compare it with standard equation of linear, then you will have px is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 and qx is equal to x plus 1 into e raised to minus 3x. So integration of px dx is nothing but integration of minus 1 upon x, and that will be a minus log of x plus 1. And if is nothing but e raised to integration px dx, that is e raised to log of x plus 1 raised to minus 1, and that is nothing but 1 upon x plus 1, because e raised to log cancel out, and x plus 1 raised to minus 1, that is 1 upon x plus 1. So this is if. So the general solution is nothing but y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus. So y into 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to integration q is your x plus 1 e raised to 3x IF is 1 upon x plus 1 into dx plus c. So x plus 1, x plus 1 will be cancelled out. And you will get integration of e raised to minus 3x. Sorry, e raised to 3x dx. E raised to 3x is the integration e raised to 3x upon 3. So this is the answer of your equation. Okay. Now, going on to one another example, dy by dx plus cot x into y is equal to 2 cos x. So this is directly in a form of linear. So if you are going to compare this equation with standard equation, then you will have px is equal to cot x and qx is equal to 2 cos x. So integration of px dx, that is integration of cot x dx, and that is nothing but log sin x. Now if is going to be a e raised to integration p dx, and that will be a e raised to log sin x. So e raised to log cancel out and it will be a sin x. So the general solution is y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus c. Now y into sin x is equal to integration 2 cos x into sin x dx. Now 2 cos x into sin x, that is sin 2x. And sin 2x is the integration minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Now solve the equation this. So first of all, we are going to write this equation in a form of dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to x under root of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So what we are going to do is comparing it with a standard equation. So you have px is equal to 1 upon 2 plus x square. Qx is going to be a x under root 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So integration px dx, that will be a integration 2x upon 1 plus x square dx, and that will be a log 1 plus x square, as you have f dash upon f. So if is nothing but e raised to integration px dx, that is e raised to log 1 plus x square, and e raised to log will be cancelled out. You will have 1 plus x square. And therefore, if you are writing the general solution, then the general solution is y into if is equal to integration qx into if dx plus c. So y into 1 plus x square is equal to x under root 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square into if is 1 plus x square dx plus c. Now this 1 plus x square will be cancelled out, and you will have integration of x under root 1 minus x square dx plus c. Correct? So if you have to integrate, then I am going to write this as a 1 minus x square raised to 1 by 2 into x dx. See, you have to adjust this in a form of fx raised to n into f dash x. So the derivative of 1 minus x square, that will be a minus 2x. So multiply and divide with minus 2. So this is fx raised to n into f dash x, and that will be a fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That means 1 minus x square raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. upon 3 by 2. And that implies y into 1 plus x square. 2 will be cancelled out. So you will have minus 1 minus x square raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 plus, or you can write it as y into 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square raised to 3 by 2 by 3 is equal to c. So this is the answer of your linear differential equation. So please remember, you have to write down your linear differential equation in a standard form, either dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx, or dx by dy plus qy into x, py into x is equal to qy, and then use the general solution. Correct? So this is the method to solve the linear differential equation, and the IF is nothing but e raised to integration px dx, or in the case of dx by dy, it will be a e raised to integration py dy. So these are the topics which we have covered in today's session. If you have any query or any doubt regarding these topics, then please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much for watching me.